How to import Evernote into Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to import Evernote to Notion. So first, go ahead and prepare your account. So make sure you both have a Notion account and an Evernote account. Imports can only be done on desktop or web and not mobile. So go ahead and open Notion first and then go ahead and click on the three dots at the top right of your screen. So go ahead and click on settings and members on Notion. So click on settings on Notion. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the import tab and then select Evernote. And then this will pop up on your screen. So you need to authorize the connection between your Evernote account and your Notion account. So you can set for how long you want this connection to last. For example, I want mine to last for only a day. I'll simply set it for 1 day and then set authorize. So after you authorize the connection, you'll be able to find this option to what should you import first from Evernote to your Notion account. So go ahead and select the notebook that you want to import from your Evernote account to your Notion account and then click on the import button. And that notebook would be imported to your Notion account. And that is how you can basically import Evernote into Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.